Good afternoon, Western Washington, and happy Sunday. I'm Matthew Fab with Western Washington Weather, and today we're going to take a look at the forecast for the next few days, including the next system that is coming in on Tuesday. So starting here with the UW satellite, and you can see these low clouds and areas of drizzle are starting to move south into southwest Washington, and we're going to have some clearing with northerly winds here for this afternoon. It should end up being a mostly sunny day. It is already mostly sunny on the coast, and it will end up being mostly sunny throughout the lowlands. So let's take a look at what we're expecting over the next couple days. You can see the trough that brought our rain and showers and some thunderstorms yesterday is moving south over California. We're going to have a mostly sunny day tomorrow, so on Monday there you can see as this brief little ridge moves through the area, and then as we go into Tuesday, this next trough moves in and will bring another round of rain to the area. And then after that, as we go way out into the extended here, you can see potential for some more ridging through the end of this week, and then maybe a break in that ridging and another round of rain next Saturday before more ridging builds. We're looking way out about a week from now, and we could have some slightly warmer conditions by the time we start next week. So stay tuned on that. That's about a week away right now. Let's take a look at the precipitation potential here. So you can see that drizzle showing up here on the European model that is moving out of the area today. And you can see Monday will be mostly dry, actually completely dry. If you take a look at that there, the entire state of Washington is nice and dry there on Monday. And then you can see that next system on Monday night starting to move down past Vancouver Island, and precipitation starts midday Tuesday, continues at times all the way through Wednesday morning. Those showers diminish by Wednesday night. So let's take a look at how much rain we are expecting. So this is the European model showing precipitation as of noon today. You can see it actually picked up on that drizzle quite well. That's about 0.03 of an inch. That's about what I got at my house here in Federal Way. And you can see it did detect that, so that's good. As we go through this afternoon, you can see some of that drizzle continues in the Cascades and in the Olympia areas and further south. But then we don't have any rain as we go all the way through Monday. And then as you can see, we get to about noon Tuesday there, and that rain starts to move in. So see, take a look right here. 8 a.m. rain starts on the coast. That moves in and into the lowlands there by early afternoon. And that rain continues through the night Tuesday with showers going on through Wednesday, maybe a convergence zone there Wednesday afternoon. And by the time we get to Wednesday night, that rain is stopped. This rain will be most from Everett southward. Areas from Everett northward will be in a rain shadow of the Olympic Mountains and should only get 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. From Seattle southward, expect 1/3 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch for Seattle and Tacoma and Olympia. And then on the coast, 1/3 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch. So much more rain on the coast than in the lowlands, but this will be another round of rain that should put September at around 1.5 inches for most of the area. So now let's take a look at the temperatures today with those low clouds. In the morning there, it won't allow us to warm up too much in the afternoon, although Whatcom County could get up into the upper 60s. Most of the rest of the area will be in the mid-60s, maybe some upper 60s in parts of Mason and Grace Harbor counties, and then mid-60s on the coast. We warm up significantly with mostly sunny conditions on Monday with highs in the upper 60s from Seattle north and low 70s from Seattle south, maybe some mid-70s for parts of the southwest interior there. And then on Tuesday, you can see that next system comes barreling in, and those temperatures drop significantly. You'll notice this temperature decline there as highs across the entire area on Tuesday will only reach the low 60s. And you'll have some areas near the water, actually, that remain in the upper 50s. You can see some of those blue colors over the Puget Sound there. That is highs in the mid to upper 50s there. By Wednesday, we start to rebound as that system moves off to the east, with highs increasing back to the mid-60s, and you can see that continues on Thursday and Friday, though we do start to drop a little bit on Friday with highs in the low 60s, Seattle northward. And then by Saturday, our next system moves in. This should be a pretty quick one, but it will drop highs again to the low to mid-60s for the entire area. So taking a look off into the extended forecast, this is for next week, so September 23rd to 29th, that's about a week from now, the 23rd is, and you can see that there will be a signal here that's showing some increased ridging, like we talked about at the beginning of the video, and that could bring above normal temperatures next week, so late September there for the Pacific Northwest. And you can see the precipitation trend is near normal to below normal for that same time next week. So stay tuned for that. We could have some warmer and sunnier conditions possibly next week. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and share these videos. That's the best way to help Western Washington weather grow. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.